Buenos amigos, welcome to High Vibes Travel. My name is Morris and today we explore Playa Mismaloya. To come here for a while now, and this is season to visit the beaches because the raining season has ended here in Puerto Vallarta and it's absolutely beautiful every day, sunny, no more humidity. Wow. Nice wave coming in right now. So there seems to be a lot of restaurants here in Playa Mismaloya. There's obviously probably rentals as well to rent chairs and umbrellas. I'll find out the price if there is. So please join us in this beautiful day here in Playa Mismaloya in Puerto Vallarta. It's about 15 minutes from downtown, from central Puerto Vallarta, by cab, by Uber. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to share. And don't forget to comment down below if you've been to this beach or any other beaches here in Puerto Vallarta that we should explore. Muchas gracias por ver. Buenos dias. ¿Cuánto es? How much is it? ¿Cuánto es?
How many?
Just two. Well, we have our stuff, but for next time.
The problem is for the consumer.
Oh, consumer?
Beer, a lunch.
Yeah, normal. Okay, muchas gracias. Thank you.
René, my name.
René, muchas gracias, amigo.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Mauricio. Thank you, René. So as you can see in that one, basically it's free to use the umbrellas and chairs, but you have to buy stuff. So like 300 pesos is fine, 400 pesos is all right, you know. But I think that's really cool that you consume and you get the stuff for free. You know, makes sense, makes sense. You have to support local, man. You have to support local. We brought our stuff this time because it's our first time here at Playa Mismaloya, but it's good to know. This is the river water here, and it's quite cold. Feels good though. I love cold water. We love cold water, so definitely fun. Wow. ¿Qué tipo de pescado? What kind of fish?
Oh,
Tuna? Tuna?
bonita.
Bonita. Wow, muy bueno. Ceviche,
Sierra.
Después. Beautiful. Fresco de la día, ¿eh?
Así es.
Gracias, ¿eh?
Día.
Gracias.
Así
Hey,
es.
hey, fresh.
Fresh. So I guess because there's a lot of greenery behind us, there's a lot of mosquitoes. I'm not getting bitten, but my wife is, like, all hot. So definitely you may want to bring some bug spray if you come here. But again, I'm not getting bitten, but yeah. It's breakfast for the birds. Breakfast. Wow. So cool. Provecho, provecho. Yeah. So the boats from the bay go in this little river here, and they're taking out the sand, so it's an easy pathway for the boats. Here's a river while the boats are parked. Very cold water as well. Well, I was about to go in this river water here right now because it's nice and cold, but the locals have to push their boats back into the river. Let's go. Like 1 wave, 2 inches. More?
Thank you, amigo.
Yeah. That's it for today. Like, man. I know.
The boat probably stayed twice as good as the front one.
Otra. So nice and chilly. Refreshing. Yeah.
Hey,
Snapper, go!
no.
Wow, that's how easy it is, right?
Okay.
This guy's a cutie.
Very good.
Kira is cute. You don't want to do that. So we're the afternoon now, and it's getting a bit more packed. It's a Friday afternoon. You can imagine on the weekend it's even more busy. So adorable. So close. So adorable. So close. Right over there is Los Arcos. The arches here in Puerto Vallarta. A lot of tourists go there to do snorkeling. And I haven't gone snorkeling there yet, but I hear the water is really clear and you see a lot of fish. wrapped up our day here at Playa Mismaloya in Puerto Vallarta. It's a beautiful, beautiful beach, although the water is a bit rough, as you just saw. There's tons of other beaches to explore here in Puerto Vallarta, so be sure to tune into this channel. There's tons of boats here as well that provide tours. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share. And also, if you've been to this beach, or if you have other recommendations of other beaches in Puerto Vallarta, let me know in the comments down below. Muchas gracias por ver.